Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Venmo credit card. So yesterday when I went live, somebody posted on a live that they got approved for this credit card with a $900 limit. And I was like, oh wow, let me look into it so I can tell everybody else about it. Now, I did some more research and I seen that other people was able to get approved for, as you can see right here, somebody actually got approved for $4,000. And they had a temporary limit of $1,000 until that card came, because as soon as you get approved, you're going to have access to your funds right away using their app. So let's go ahead, check out this video. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys go ahead and drop them down below. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, you got to make sure that you already have the Venmo app, or you can go ahead and sign up for the Venmo app. Just go ahead and download it onto your phone, and then you'll have that app. You'll have to make sure you're applying right through the app. Now, this credit card is a nice card because you actually get rewards for it. So that's one thing I really like. You guys have rewards. So you guys have your top spend categories. So you guys have certain categories like groceries, bills and utilities, and everything else. You guys have different categories, and they're going to put them in order in terms of the category you spend the most money in, and then they're going to give you rewards based off of that. So that's why it's called the top spend category. So if you can see right here on this example, they spent $250. They're going to get 3% cash back, which is going to be $7.50. For their bills and utilities, they spent $150. That's going to be $3 cash back, which is going to be 2% total. And then 1% on everything else. So $125 spent. They got $1.25 in cash back, which is a total of $11.75. So it will be different for you guys. Maybe you spend a lot of your credit card on your bills. So you guys are going to have, this is your top spend category. Your everything else, maybe you don't have an actual thing you spend a lot of money on. It's just going to be everything else both together. Maybe that'd be your top spend, but it's going to fluctuate, you guys. Everybody's going to have something different, but I like that I like how they have that set up. Now you can also purchase crypto with your credit card, with your cash back from your credit card. Now, let me say this. You guys are going to get cash back. So they have it where they can automatically add your money into the crypto. You can purchase the crypto of your choice. So you can go ahead and say which crypto you want to purchase, and then at the end of every month they'll automatically purchase that crypto without any crypto transaction fees. So I like that you're gonna have that transaction fee too when it comes down to your crypto. So that's a great way. If you guys want to get into investing, I will do this. I think that's really a great thing because it's automatically purchasing it, and sometimes like you get cash back, but that's a bonus. That's a plus. So if you can use that cash back to go into your crypto, that would be amazing. So definitely, you guys, if you can, look into doing your crypto. I taught you guys before about crypto. Well, make sure you have something going into crypto. That would be really nice for you guys. But you can definitely learn more just by coming to their website. Now, they have your QR code. So everybody have their own QR code. If you guys want to if you want to buy something or you want to receive money, you can have your QR code scanned by somebody on your actual credit card. You're going to have your QR code. So now you can start paying like that. So I said, well, not paying like that, but if you want to actually give it to somebody really quickly, you have it right on your credit card. So I really like that. And you can use that your profile to pay or to get paid. So that's why they have that on there. Now, don't forget, you guys have to make sure that you have that app. And that's how you guys are going to be able to apply for the credit card. And when you guys have that app, it's going to track all of your purchases, which is really nice. It's friend friendly. So if you want to split a bill with a friend, you can actually split a bill with a friend, which I really like that. You guys can shop virtually, so you can use your credit card. Your credit card details will be saved into the phone, and you can also, so that you can go out and purchase something, and then you guys will also have a virtual card. So say if you want to use a temporary card, if you want a temporary number to go ahead and purchase something, temporary card number, you can actually do that too. So I like that. And then too, if you lost your card, which I really like this feature, I have this on my regular debit card. If you lose your card or you just misplace it, you can go ahead and put a freeze on it. Basically, you're disabling it, And if you find your card again, you can just go ahead and enable it. You can go ahead and enable it again. Go ahead and turn it back on. But if it's lost or stolen, you can easily go ahead and ask for a replacement card too. So I really like that. And everybody, if you guys have a chip on your phone, or a chip, sometimes you guys will have the contactless payments too, especially for the major credit cards, and they have that for the Venmo. So you guys don't have to use your chip. You can actually just go ahead and do the contactless payment. And another thing, when it comes down to this credit card, it's not just a one credit card you can just actually get, just that one color. They actually have 5 different colors. So this is like the green and blue that they have. This is like a red and purplish color. But they have different ones. They have the blue one, they have the gray and black one. And then here is that pink and purplish one, pinkish bluish cotton candy color. But you guys will be able to pick which color you want. So that's really good. And don't forget, everybody will have their QR code right here on the front. You have your QR code on the front. And you guys will have Visa perks, which is really good. So if you guys are traveling, you'll have like travel and lifestyle perks. So that's really good if you guys actually sign up for the credit card. And if you guys want to see like these different videos, they have they're telling you about the credit card, how to apply for it, getting started with your credit card, and then too, what's the difference between your physical and your virtual credit card number. So definitely, if you want to watch these videos, check out their website. There's some questions on here if you guys want to check them out also. I kind of went over all of these different things, but it was one thing I wanted to go over. I think I just want to show you like how you can manage your account. So with this credit card, when you have this credit card online on their app, you can actually view your credit card balance. You can see your rewards activity. You will be able to set up or adjust auto pay. So if you guys want to auto pay your credit card, you guys will be able to do it using their app, which is really nice. You can request a virtual card number right through the app. That means you don't have to call, you don't have to do all that. You can go right through the app. You can view and download your credit card statements. You can split or share the Venmo credit card transaction inside of the Venmo app. You can go ahead and split and share your transactions. You can see your spending trends. I have that on my Discover, and it's like amazing. You guys should know like where you spending most of your money at, especially if you guys don't have an actual budget. You can view your transactions, and you can disable and enable your physical credit card, and then you can configure all your alerts and emails. But if you guys want to apply for this credit card, don't forget, you guys just download the app, and then you guys will be able to get started right away. They'll be able to they'll go ahead and approve you if they approve you for the credit card, and they'll give you access to that money as soon as you're approved. So I really like that instant access upon your approval. Now, if you have any questions about this credit card, definitely let me know. And then I'll make sure I get back to you guys. If you guys want to do a review on another credit card, also let me know because I can do that review for you. But if you guys don't have anything else, then I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters, but say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below, or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.